Hi everyone. Last lecture you will see about illicit traffic and prevention of the illicit traffic in the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. In that you will see about cultivating any coca plant or gathering of any portion of coca plant, cultivating the opium poppy or any cannabis plant, engaging in that you will see about production, manufacturing, processing, sale, purchase, transportation, warehousing, consignment, and heading used to the consumption, interstate, import, interstate export, inter in India, export from India, or transshipment of narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Dealing in the narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances, handling or leading the any premises for the use of purpose of this act. The financing any activity by himself or throughout any other person in the furtherance in the support of doing any other enforcement act. Harboring gives shelter person engaged in any about this activity, and a beating encourage assistance conserving planning secretly in the furtherance of the support of doing any of the opposite act except in extent permit under the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, or any rule or order made of this condition of any license, permission, or authorized issue in their unders. The officer of this central government, narcotic commissioner, it will be give the supervision of this cultivation of any for opium poppy or production of opium, other functions as may be illustrated to him by the central government. The state government appointed such officer as a deemed fit for the purpose of this act. You will see about committee, the constituted for efficient administration of this act by the central government as an advisory committee or consist of a chairman and not more than 20 members. Advise the central government on the matter relating to the administration of this act. You will see the provision, control and regulation. Cultivating the coca plant or gathered any portion of the coca plant. Cultivate the opium poppy or any cannabis plant or production, manufacturing, process, sale, purchase, transport, state import in the India. Export from India or transit in narcotic drug or psychotropic substance, extend for medical or the provision scientific purpose in the manner to be extend provision by the it in this act or the rule or order made thereunder. Then today you will see about control on central certain operations by the central government. What are those operations? It will be controlled by the central government. In that first, empower the central government to fix from time to time the limit within which license may be given for a cultivation of the opium poppy. It is a main that is the central government to fix from time to time limit within a license may be given for the cultivation of this opium poppy. Then require that all opium the produce the land cultivating with the opium poppy shall be delivered by the cultivation to be offered authorized in the behalf by the central government. It prescribes the form, the condition of the license and cultivation of the opium poppy and for production of the manufacturing of opium, the fees that may be charged therefore any authorized by the which such license may be granted, withheld the refuse of cancel and the authority before which appeal against the order of withholding refuse or cancel the of license shall live. Then a prescribe that opium shall be weighed, examined, classified according to the quality and consistence by the offer authorized in this behalf by the central government in the presence of the cultivation at the time or delivery by the cultivator. Empower the central government to fix from time to time the price to be paid to be the cultivation and the opium delivery. It provides for the examination, classification according to the quality of the consistence of the opium received at the factory and the deduction from examination, classification made for the authority before which appeal against the such decision shall lie. It required that opium delivery by the cultivator. It found that result of examination in the central government factory to be adulterate may be confiscated size by the officer authorized in the behalf. Prescribe the form and condition of license for the manufacturing of manufactured drug, the authority by which such license may be granted and the fees may be charged therefore. Then it prescribes the form of condition of a license or permit for the manufacturing, process, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, sale, purchase, consumption or the psychotropic substances, the authorized by the such license or permit may be granted and the fees that may be charged therefore. It prescribes the ports and the other place at which any kinds of narcotic drug or psychotropic substance may be imported into India or exported from India or shipped. They form the condition of the certificates, authorization or permit, as the case may be such or import, export or transmitted the authority by which such certificate, authorization or permit may be granted by the fees that may be charged therefore. So these are the control on the certain operation by the central government in this act. It is for today's lecture. Next lecture you will see about offenses and penalties of this act. Today you will discuss about the control of certain operation by the government, central government. In that you will see about central government to fix time to time limits and which license will be given for the cultivation of this opium. Then it shall be give the cultivation of opium by the cultivator to officer authority. Then authority by which such license may be refused, cancelled, authorized without any license premises. Then M4 the central government to fix to time price to pay the cultivation of opium delivery. Then provide the weighment, examination, classification according to the quality of consistence of opium, and it will be led to the factory and the deduction and examination classification additional made to be authority before appeal against the decision, and to require this cultivator of the central government adulterated may be confiscated, seized by the officer authority in behalf. Prescribe the form, condition, license and manufacturing of manufactured drugs. It gives the transport, import into the state, export into the state, sell, purchase, process, manufacturing by which such license or permit may be granted. And last, it prescribes the port and the other place at which the kinds of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substance may be imported into India, exported, shipped, authorized, permitted in case of any such export transmitted. the authority by which such certificate authorization permitted may be granted and the fees that may be charged therefore. Thank you.